Hey, it's Chris Doherty, Doherty Properties, coming to you from an incredible house at 390 Pawtucket Street. Just an unbelievable unit in Lowell. It's a huge townhouse, over 2,500 square feet. We got lots of bedrooms, bathrooms with character. And I just want you to check out the room that I'm in. See just how amazing and beautiful all of the detail is in this one room here. Look at the wood, okay? All of the custom wood. Look at the transom window with the beautiful light, all of this molding, coiffured ceilings. Just look at the detail in this one room, okay? Absolutely stunning. Look at these custom shelves, okay? And let's check out this this detail on this fireplace. I just want you to look how beautiful that tile work is and just how perfect every detail and aspect of this room. It's absolutely phenomenal, okay? So this is a townhouse for someone that wants that living that is very very historic feeling with all the modern and luxury amenities bringing you through. We got a stairwell there. Check out the huge kitchen. It's just huge. Look at this tin ceiling. Absolutely stunning, okay? There's a servery right here, okay? Feeds off into this little sitting area. I love that fridge. The door outside, and it brings you through to this unbelievable living room, just with more detail. It's really, look at the floors, okay? Stunning. Decorative fireplace, but look at that tile work. You just don't see that anymore. The quality of that tile work, just absolutely stunning and fantastic in every way. The detail molding around the ceiling, okay? Absolutely enormous living room. We got a huge kitchen, sitting area, servery, really perfect. I'm gonna keep walking you through this so you can just get a sense of the size and the scope, okay, of this unbelievable unit. We have a bedroom on the first floor. Now that first room that we could have been in could have been an office, which used, but could be. Just look at the detail. You're not going to find many places built like this today. They're just way too expensive to build like this. But check out that ceiling. Check out this room and all the detail and just how cool the decorations are. The doors, the quality of these wood doors. Check out all of the trim around the ceiling. Check out this decorative, beautiful fireplace. Again, just look at the quality of the tile work, okay? Really stunning here. It's huge, okay? So bedroom, beautiful double doors, just absolutely spectacular. This is first floor. There's also a bathroom here on the first floor. Really good size. Stand-up shower. Nice size vanity. Okay. So that's first floor. It's huge. Now we're going to go up the stairs. All of the detail coming up the stairwell. Nice custom trim. And we've got a few bedrooms. We're going to start another bedroom here. Okay. Huge high ceilings. We're going to check out another bedroom. Huge ceilings. Just really large. All beautiful wood. Nice huge closet doors. This is a house that somebody wants, a huge townhouse It's just really filled with character. A double vanity sink. Bathroom area. Big soaking tub. Okay. Deck area. So, if you want to know what it's like to live in one of these old mansions, this one has been broken into 2 condos from a single house. This is it. Character, all the luxury and modern amenities, but all of those beautiful components maintained in the property, okay? The other thing about this place is just proximity to everything. You have proximity to the university. You're just seconds to South Campus. You have access to the Lowell train station is not far away. The Lowell Regional Transit Authority. You have shops, restaurants, downtown, all major highway routes. There's a bunch of different access points from here. There's shopping. There's more supermarkets around here than, Market Basket started, or formerly known as Demoulas in the city of Lowell. And so there's a lot of Market Baskets around, but there's everything. So this is just a stunning, stunning property for somebody who's looking for character. They're looking for size. It also has a garage. The garage can fit 2 cars. It's a garage under, which is really cool and almost impossible to find in something like this. So if you are looking, or you know anybody who's looking, hit me up, call me. If you want to learn anything more about the city, about this house or houses like this, let me know.